We are making a steak sandwich and it will be awesome. In the blender, combine all your ingredients for our green sauce. It's kind of a chimichurri, but in a not spicy way. It will give our sandwich some freshness, which will be necessary to balance the mayonnaise. Season with some salt and pepper. Start to blitz until you have a consistency which is not too smooth. Just like that. Like this we keep the color alive. Finish with some vinegar or lime juice. Time to take care about the bread. Whatever you use, give it a quick toast with some olive oil. In Italy, we love a fresh baked ciabatta. To season the steak, I brush my one with a 50-50 mix of soy sauce and olive oil, along with some salt and freshly ground black pepper. And remember to always season both sides. Get everything in there. Alright, as this is a quick recipe, I'm going to just pan-sear my steak. About 2 to 3 minutes each side, turning it a few times. If I would plan to make the sandwiches in advance, I would definitely use the sous vide method to get a perfect result stress-free. Click on the card above to check out how. Okay, about 5 to 6 minutes in. Take off your steak and let it rest in some foil. In the same pan, throw in your red onions. Give it a little stir. Add about a tablespoon of soy sauce. And after 3 minutes, they are done. And come on, if you use mayonnaise, make it yourself. It's so simple and quick, and a million times better than anything store-bought. I mean, look at this! Next, get your rucola on, nice and fresh. Our steak had 10 minutes to rest, and now you can nicely cut it without all the juices running out. Cut it as thin or thick as you want. I like nice thin slices. Way easier to bite off the sandwich. Waste no time and get your meat on. Add as little or much as you want. I happen to have a big bun, so I'm not going to be cheap on the meat. Time to get your onions on. Look at them. Oh wow! Finally, drizzle some chimichurri on top and get the rest of it onto the bun. This smells incredible. I got to bite into this right now. Alright, here we go. Let's cut it open. Alright guys, that was the steak sandwich, and before you go, make sure to subscribe, give me a big thumbs up.
Make sure to hit the bell to get notified, check out my Instagram channel.
And I hope we see us in the next one.